After this video, you will never see BMW the same again. Because what if I told you this brand didn't start on the road, but in the sky, before the luxury, before the speed, before the iconic badge, BMW was building machines that flew. While other cars were on the streets, BMW was flying in the sky. Most people think the BMW logo is a spinning propeller. That's not the full truth. The iconic blue and white quadrants come from the flag of Bavaria, BMW's home. They represent identity, origin, and the place where it all began. Bavarian Motor Works.
Bayerische Motorenwerke.
The propeller story? It was born in 1929 from a clever advertisement that placed the logo over a rotating aircraft propeller. The image was so powerful it became a legend, but the real meaning has always been simpler and deeper. A proud symbol of Bavarian roots, music, gentle swell of pride, from the skies of war to the roads of the world. This logo has never forgotten where it came from. In 1916, in the heart of Munich, BMW was born. Not as the luxury car maker we know today, but as a bold aircraft engine manufacturer right in the middle of World War I. Their very first engine, the legendary BMW iiA, was a game changer. It didn't just deliver more power, it climbed higher, sipped less fuel, and gave German fighter pilots a deadly edge in the skies. The BMW-powered Fokker DVI fighter became faster and more agile than most aircraft, just like BMW cars on the road today. Precision, raw power, engineering brilliance. That was BMW's DNA from day one. The first BMW world record. On June 17, 1919, pilot Franz Zeno de Moor took off from Munich's Oberwessenfeld airfield in the open cockpit of a specially built DFW aircraft, powered by the new BMW 4 aircraft engine. He climbed higher and higher into the freezing sky. After 87 minutes of relentless ascent, he reached an astonishing altitude of 9,760 meters, over 32,000 feet. No human had ever flown that high before. Temperatures dropped to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Oxygen was dangerously thin. Yet the BMW engine kept delivering power when others would have failed. This daring flight didn't just set a new altitude record. It made BMW internationally famous almost overnight, proving that precision Bavarian engineering could conquer the skies. But then everything collapsed. The war ended. The Treaty of Versailles was very harsh for Germany. Germany was not allowed to build airplanes or airplane engines anymore. The Allied countries also forced Germany to give up planes like the Fokker D.VII because they had powerful BMW engines. Overnight, BMW lost its only customer. No more orders, no more planes, no more future. The company stood on the edge of extinction. They had only two choices: adapt or disappear forever. And that moment of crisis? That's exactly where the real BMW story begins. With no aircraft engines allowed, BMW turned to the only thing they still knew how to build: engines. They started producing motorcycle engines. They built industrial engines for machines and factories, anything to keep the company alive. Then, in 1923, came the moment that changed everything. BMW launched its very first complete motorcycle, the legendary R32, featuring the revolutionary flat twin boxer engine and shaft drive. The R32 didn't just survive, it defined the future of BMW motorcycles for the next century. From the ashes of war, the roar of a new era had begun. In 1928, BMW took its boldest step yet. They acquired a car factory in Eisenach and officially entered the automobile world. Their first car was the BMW Dixie 3/5, a small, reliable machine built under license from the British Austin 7. It wasn't glamorous, but it was the beginning. BMW 328 racing legend. In 1936, BMW launched the 328, light, precise, and brutally fast. It became a legend. Over 140 class victories out of just 172 starts. The crowning moment came in 1940 at the Mille Miglia, where it stormed to overall victory with a record average speed of 166.7 kilometers per hour. A record that still stands today. At the time, the BMW 328 was considered one of the most successful sports cars in the world. Motorcycle world record. In 1937, riding a fully streamlined, supercharged BMW, legendary racer Ernst Henn shattered the world speed record. He blasted across the Frankfurt-Darmstadt Autobahn at an incredible 279.5 kilometers per hour, 173.7 miles per hour, a blistering speed that no one on two wheels had ever reached before. For nearly 14 years, that record stood unbeaten. By the late 1930s, the world was changing again. As Europe moved closer to conflict, BMW returned to its original roots, building aircraft engines. Military production became priority number one. The company that once powered fighter planes in World War I was now scaling up again, this time for an even larger storm. What began as a desperate survival story after the First War quietly led BMW straight into its darkest and most controversial chapter, its central role in the Second World War. And what they did next, no one could have expected. After World War II, the Allies banned BMW from producing cars or motorcycles. Factories were dismantled, machines confiscated, and the company was classified as an armaments producer. To survive, BMW was forced to make the most humble products imaginable: pots, pans, kitchen utensils, and simple household tools. In 1948, BMW was allowed to build motorcycles, and in 1952, cars. BMW acquired Mini in 1994, and Rolls-Royce in 1998. Today, both iconic brands are fully owned by BMW. Today, BMW is no longer just a car brand, it's a technology powerhouse. Electric vehicles, advanced engineering, future mobility solutions. But here's the crazy part. They were already experimenting with electric cars back in the 1970s, long before it became a global trend. In 1972, BMW converted two classic 1602 models into fully electric prototypes. They were even used as official support vehicles during the Munich Olympic Games. BMW's double Guinness World Records. In 2017, BMW set two insane Guinness World Records at once. Driving a BMW M5, pilot Johann Schwartz drifted continuously for 8 hours, covering an incredible 374 kilometers, 232.5 miles sideways the entire time. To achieve this, BMW developed a special mid-drift refueling system. And while drifting, another M5 pulled alongside and refueled the record car without ever stopping the drift. This crazy maneuver also gave them a second world record. The longest tandem twin vehicle drift on a wet surface, 79.3 kilometers, 49.3 miles. Pure performance, pure BMW. Here's something interesting. BMW still produces original parts for its classic cars, from the 1940s right up to today. BMW headquarters in Munich. It looks odd, until you know the secret. The entire building is shaped like a 4-cylinder BMW engine, a bold architectural tribute to the heart of every BMW. So the next time you see a BMW, don't just see a car. See the history, the struggle, the survival, the evolution, from aircraft engines to kitchen tools, to one of the most powerful automotive brands in the world. BMW is not just a brand, it's proof that reinvention creates legends. And now tell me, will you ever look at BMW the same again? If you'd like to support me, I'd really appreciate a like and your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.